conversations talking about how it is important for every organization to take care of its people so that they can take care of business, take care of the customer, who is key for the success of any business.
How am I feeling at work was at 23%. This is not a very good score, because in here we have 29% of workforce who are feeling disengaged at work. They don't feel like they are thriving at work. They don't feel like the workplace cares for them. 29%. And then we have 24% in red that are completely unhappy. They find their workplaces toxic. They wish they would just depart from those workplaces. These statistics should bring us to boardroom tables, should bring us to meetings, should bring us to conferences, should bring us to gatherings, that we may turn this around and have more people thriving at work than not thriving at work.
So in listening to the critical issues that came out of that survey, for me, the number one takeout is essentially where the Gen Z sit, and some of the changes and the responsibilities that we have as leaders in terms of how we work in our organizations to facilitate for environments that encourage and welcome the Gen Zs to be able to thrive and deliver for organizations like ours.